In front of me is Oppo A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing security. Over here go into permissions and select apps. Then click on one of your apps, in my case Send Anywhere. And now you can pick one of those options. I will go with location info. Then select one of those, allow, prohibit or ask. I will go with allow, so now when I go back, I can see that Send Anywhere app just gained access to my device location. But you can also just click on one of those sections, click on prohibit and deny it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!